Now I'm going to show you how you can remove any object from the video. So first I have this example. So now I'm going to select this clip, and in Magic Tools I'm going to select Inpainting, and it will take you to the masking window. And now right here, as you can see, my brush color is purple, so we can increase and we can lower the size of the brush. So now I can paint out this plane, and now it will take some time to remove this from the video. And now as you can see guys, we only have the background. The plane is completely removed from the video. Now let's click on this done masking. And now as you can see guys, the plane is completely removed from the video. Now we have only the sky. So now as you can see, it perfectly removed plane from the video. But as you can see right here, we have this plane. So we can, where we have this plane, we can go to the edit painting and we can increase the size and we can paint out like this. Now as you can see guys, it also had a keyframe right here. So as you can see, now we have this keyframe and now we have this keyframe. So we update the mask right here. So now as you can see, the plane is now completely removed from the video. Now you can also change the mode to mask, and you can also change this to result. So now we have the mask appear on the plane. So let's go to the frame number 1. And now if I review my clip, as you can see guys, the mask is now visible because we select mode the mask. And now we can see the mask, or we can update the mask if something is fishy. And now as you can see, we can view the mask. Now let's change this to result, and now let's done masking. Now guys, this is the final result. Now as you can see, the plane is completely removed from the video. Now guys, this is the simple example. So Inpainting works perfectly fine if you have these kinds of video and if you have a small object or subject. Now for example, if you have these kinds of video, and if I select my clip, go to the Inpainting, and I'm going to increase the brush size, and let's draw this person. Now let him do its work. And now as you can see guys, these types of video won't work with Inpainting. So you must have a small object or subject in a video in order to work with Inpainting. And now let's say I have this video, so I want to remove the Ferrari logo. So you can select this video, you can go to Inpainting, we can increase the brush size, we can draw this Ferrari logo, and let him do its work. And we can go to the mode and change this to result. And now as you can see, it removed Ferrari logo. Now you can also guys exclude the mask. So for example, if we go to the mask, if we select exclude, we can deselect the mask area. So for example, I'm deselecting the surrounding of this logo. And now we are done. Now let's go to the result and let's done Inpainting. Now I have this final example. So go to the Inpainting, and now I'm going to select myself. And now as you can see, it done a fantastic job. So I'm going to view the mask. And now let's see, we can edit the mask. So it also select this wallet. So I'm going to deselect my wallet. Let's go to the next frame, and as you can see, we have the keyframe. So now it won't select the wallet again. And now I think we are done. Now let's change this to result, and now have a look. So it isn't very perfect, but it is not that bad either. So now as you can see, we have this video. So I think it done a very remarkable job. You can even use this Inpainting to remove text from the shirt. So I have this video. So now I'm going to show you. So let's select this shirt text, and first I'm going to change this to mask. So I think we are good. Now change this to result, and now have a look. So you can use this to even remove the text from the shirt as well. So this is how you can use Inpainting in Runway Video Editor.